think it's very important for the natural industry in Ireland to have such workshop to help concerns and also recommendation from the ground, from industry players.
I think it's imperative that people from different parts of this wider bioeconomy get together, because we all have come at it from our own individual points of view. I manufacture and I sell products to the public, but we've got suppliers here, we've got people from regulation, from policy. So being able to hear what other people have to offer is really good. And I think the surprising thing is the commonality of pain points and solutions that's coming up today is really, really valuable.
You get people together that have a set of common problems that everybody thinks that they're the only ones dealing with the issues, and it brings it out into the open that we're all in this together, and we can solve those problems by sharing them amongst ourselves.
I would say that the workshop today was insightful, exciting, and reassuring.
The workshop in 3 words would be really to inform, to collaborate, and explore the solutions.
Really positive energy in there. There's a lot happening, so it's very active. People are individually trying to do what they think they should, so people are already taking steps. So that's one, active positive energy. I think the other one is recognizing that the challenges are big. And the third, I think, hope that actually we're starting this today, and that being able to take future steps is, I think everybody is very solution focused. So I just think, getting a roadmap, trying to pull something together to address what are really huge problems. So I'm thrilled to be here, so thank you for asking me.
Nice to hear and meet new faces, but also meet again familiar faces that have the same drive to develop the bioeconomy and natural products in Ireland, and that we're not alone in our own office spaces.